This is what a student is asking me. Everyone says that they're pretty and they're beautiful. How can I make them perfect?
Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class. You know what? There is no such thing as perfection. Let me explain. You see, what I think is beautiful might be completely different than what you think is beautiful. What I like might be completely different than what you like. So you, as a designer, must trust your own instinct, your own intuition, and that you like what you are designing. You must like what you are designing. If you don't, throw it away and start again. There is no such thing as perfection. However, sometimes when I was teaching in a classroom situation, I would go around to different students and I would say, if you add a little trim here, if you move this sleeve here, if you add a little contrasting tab here, it might add a whole new point of interest to the garment. Or if you used a different yoke fabric for the inside of a shirt or a dress or whatever. So the point is that I can critique a design. I can say, you know what? It's a great shape, great silhouette, which is another word for shape. But this heavy velvet that you're using, it's not working. If you did it in chiffon, it might look a whole lot better. So I can critique a design. But as far as you making it perfect, only you are the judge of that. Only you can judge and say, you know what? I love this design. It represents who I am, what I stand for. I love the color, the fabric, the way it moves. I like it, and that's it. Do not rely on your friends, your family. Your friends and your family will say, oh, it's great. You're so talented. You're creative. It's great. But it's because they're your friends and your family. But the truth is you ultimately are the judge. You are the designer. It's up to you. So trust your instinct, trust yourself, do what you like, and that's it. Go for it. See you in class.
Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.